Hey kids, let's look at one of the homework problems together. The ones coming from set C specifically. So 4.5 set C. And let's look at number 5 and then we'll look at number 6. So number 5 is how would you build this as a solution set? 0, 4, 8, and so on. And when it says set builder notation, it means they're looking for this. They're looking for, hey, list me every x in the world such that something is true. Okay, I can use x, I can use n. I'm just going to use n for this one specific thing. Let's see if it makes sense. N, let's see, the set starts with 0, so and it has whole numbers, and it starts with 0, so it's the whole numbers rather than natural numbers, counting numbers, which start with 1. So n is an element of the whole numbers. And let's think about this. 0, 4, 8, that's a pattern. They're multiples of 4. So I'm going to write this, and I'm going to explain it in 2 seconds. 4n. Think about this. If n is an element of the whole numbers, then n is the set of numbers that's 0, 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. Whereas 4n, this is a weird n up top here, but whatever, equals 4 times anything in that set. Well, 0 times 4 is 0, 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, and so on. So look at this. This is set builder notation. Give me an x such that for any number n, which is a whole number, an element of the set of whole numbers, and x equals 4n. Take that whole number and multiply it by 4. So this is your answer. I'm going to look at number 6 with you because that's important too. So 4.5 set C number 6 is a little bit different because it has dotted lines before the 0. So it's 0, 4, 8, and so on. So let's think about how this is different. Oops. The way it's different is that, oh, we can have numbers smaller than 0 in our answer. So they're still multiples of 4, but really we could have we could have made this a -4 and ... Do you like how I changed that up? So essentially, I'm just going to write that, I'm going to say, hey, x such that n is an element of, think about this, not whole numbers, but integers. And, oh my gosh, sorry about this. And x equals the same for n. So that should be the answer for 6. I changed it from whole numbers to integers. I hope this makes sense, and if it doesn't, we'll go over it in class. But just look at this. This set number 5 started with 0, and it went on to infinity, so then we're dealing with whole numbers. And this one in number 6, it has negatives included, so that's why it's integers. But it's still multiples of 4, so 4n here. All right, thanks, bye.